Have you ever wondered how the undead might be lurking within your own body? Not as spine-chilling ghosts or an army of reanimated corpses, but in the form of seemingly silent, yet potentially harmful zombie cells. That's right, the term may sound like a fanciful concoction straight out of an imaginative science fiction novel, but in reality, these are very much existent in our bodies. These cellular living dead, cryptically referred to as zombie cells, are not imaginary. Rather, they are an incredibly real and integral part of our biological system. Zombie cells, or as the scientists like to call them, senescent cells, are essentially those cells that have ceased their division but stubbornly refuse to perish. Imagine a light bulb that has run its course, has burned out, but still continues to leech off the power. These zombie cells, akin to the undead, are stuck in a confusing state of existence, a kind of cellular purgatory, if you will. They're neither dead nor fully alive. Now you might be wondering, how do these zombie cells come into existence? They are, in fact, the byproduct of a natural and inherently necessary biological process known as cellular senescence. It's the body's efficient way of preventing damaged cells from proliferating uncontrollably and potentially morphing into cancerous entities. However, much like many aspects of life, these zombie cells too have a sinister side, a dark underbelly that can impact our health negatively. Like the relentless rattling groan of a horror movie zombie, these cellular undead emit signals. These signals, much like a distress, can cause harm to the nearby healthy functioning cells, triggering inflammation and potentially leading to tissue damage. Over time, as these zombie cells persist and increase, they can cause chronic inflammation within our bodies. We must not underestimate the detrimental effects of persistent inflammation. It can be the silent precursor to a plethora of health issues. These health problems can range from cardiovascular diseases and diabetes, two of the leading causes of mortality globally, to debilitating conditions like arthritis. Not only that, but a buildup of these zombie cells can also lead to neurological disorders, including dementia. This degenerative condition severely impacts cognitive function, and the presence of these zombie cells exacerbates the condition. In short, zombie cells, while being a part of our biological system and serving a crucial role in preventing cancer, can become a persistent source of health problems if left unchecked. The study of these zombie cells provides valuable insights into various health issues and paves the way for potential interventions to control their negative impacts. It's intriguing how even within our bodies, there's a constant struggle between life and the undead. Over time, this can lead to a variety of health problems, ranging from heart disease and diabetes to arthritis and even dementia. In fact, some of the most critical organs in the body are particularly sensitive to the destructive influence of zombie cells. These cells, often also referred to as senescent cells, have halted the normal process of division and growth, effectively becoming undead entities within our bodies. They linger and accumulate in tissues, wreaking havoc and causing progressive damage over time. This destructive phenomenon is not random but targets some of the most important organs in our body. One such example is the heart, a vital organ that pumps blood throughout our body. The heart, for instance, can be severely impacted by the presence of these zombie cells. These cells can find their way into the heart tissue, embedding themselves stealthily. Over time, their accumulation can cause significant damage. They interfere with the normal function of the heart cells, compromising the organ's ability to pump blood effectively. This disturbing process can lead to heart failure, a serious condition wherein the heart can't pump enough blood to meet the body's needs. Heart failure is not the only negative outcome. Other diseases such as hypertension, atherosclerosis, and stroke can also be a result of zombie cell accumulation in the heart tissues. The harmful impact of these cells places the heart at great risk, potentially leading to a variety of life-threatening heart conditions. Besides the heart, the brain is another organ at risk of damage by these undead cells. Notably, the brain, being the control center of our body, is highly susceptible to the harmful effects of zombie cells. These cells can build up within the brain tissue, interfering with the normal function of neurons and contributing to the deterioration of cognitive capabilities. This is seen in neurodegenerative like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Alzheimer's disease, characterized by memory loss and confusion, and Parkinson's disease, characterized by tremors and difficulty with movement, can both be traced back to the detrimental effects of zombie cells in the brain. It is not only these two diseases. Other neurological disorders like dementia and multiple sclerosis may also be linked to the accumulation of these harmful cells in the brain. The influence of zombie cells is vast and destructive. Their presence threatens the functioning of our most crucial organs, leading to a variety of potentially life-threatening conditions. Through their relentless accumulation and subsequent damage, they put several of our body's vital systems at risk. As previously noted, zombie cells also play a role in the development of neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. But amidst this bleak scenario, there's a glimmer of hope. Recent scientific studies have started to unveil a promising solution that might just be our best chance against these destructive cellular invaders. This solution, it seems, is not found in the latest technological advancements or the result of complex genetic manipulations. Rather, it is discovered in a common human practice that has been in existence since time immemorial: fasting. Fasting, the voluntary abstention from food for a specific duration of time, is a practice that is as old as mankind. Once a spiritual rite observed by many cultures and religions, fasting has now caught the attention of the scientific community. They've begun to understand and appreciate its numerous potential benefits, particularly its ability to stimulate a vital biological process known as autophagy. Autophagy, from the Greek words auto meaning self and phagi meaning eating, is essentially a self-eating process. In the realm of cellular biology, it is a process where cells clean house, systematically removing and recycling damaged components. It is like a rigorous spring cleaning, a decluttering of sorts at the cellular level where worn-out parts are broken down and then remanufactured into new, fully functional components. This process of autophagy has the potential to clear out the so-called zombie cells. Zombie cells, or senescent cells, are the problematic ones that refuse to die and end up causing damage to surrounding healthy cells. The removal of these cells through autophagy can significantly reduce their damaging effects, leading to healthier and improved overall body functionality. But the benefits of fasting go beyond merely stimulating autophagy. Fasting has also been found to stimulate the production of new stem cells, which play a momentous role in the body's healing and regeneration. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, these stem cells have the potential to replace the damaged or senescent cells, rejuvenating tissues and organs in a way that was once thought impossible. The act of fasting can be likened to dispatching a team of highly trained cellular repair workers. They work diligently to identify, break down, and replace the damaged components. The process, though simple in its essence, is incredibly complex and intricate. But the end result is a body that is rejuvenated, with tissues and organs functioning at their optimal levels. It's like dispatching a team of cellular repair workers to fix the damage caused by the zombie cells. To sum up, zombie cells, the living dead lurking in our bodies, can have severe impacts on our health, particularly on critical organs like the heart and the brain. This is a concept that may seem straight out of a science fiction novel, but it is a grim reality we are all faced with. These zombie cells, or senescent cells as they are known in scientific parlance, aren't your typical living or dead cells. Named for their refusal to die a normal cellular death, these zombie cells have a troubling persistence, staying around much longer than they're welcome. They reside quietly within our bodies, inflicting damage without our knowledge, until the effect's too palpable to ignore. You may be wondering how these cells manage to wreak havoc on our system. Well, the answer lies in their slow but constant interference with the normal functioning of our organs. These zombie cells tend to cluster around vital organs like our heart and brain, where they can cause the most damage. Over time, their presence can lead to serious health issues, including organ failure, chronic diseases, and here's the good news. There is a significant weapon in our arsenal that can combat these cellular threats: fasting. Fasting, a practice as old as humankind itself, has been found to have profound effects on our health, especially when it comes to dealing with zombie cells. When we fast, our body switches into a survival mode. It initiates a process known as autophagy, where it starts to self-eat and clear out any cellular debris, including these zombie cells. Fasting also stimulates the production of new stem cells, the raw from which all other cells in our body are derived. With an increased number of stem cells, our bodies have a better chance of replacing the harmful zombie cells with healthier ones. Thus, fasting serves as a cleaning and rejuvenation process, allowing us to regain control over the health of our bodies. Moreover, fasting isn't just about skipping, it's also about controlling when we eat. Various studies indicate that intermittent fasting, where you eat within a specific window of time, can also stimulate autophagy, helping clear out cells. So fasting isn't just an act of omission, but also of commission. It's a conscious decision to allow our bodies the time and space to heal and rejuvenate from within. In conclusion, what may seem like story, the presence of zombie cells in our bodies, is not an insurmountable challenge. With the understanding of their formation and impact, and the benefits of fasting, we can take steps to protect our health from these cellular zombies. Remember, we are not powerless against them. As long as we stay informed, take the right steps, and maintain a disciplined lifestyle, we can keep these cellular zombies at bay. Now that we've uncovered the menacing truth about zombie cells and the power of fasting, it's time to spread the word. If you found this video informative and beneficial, please give it a thumbs up. This will help others to discover and learn about this crucial health information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such insightful content. We're constantly researching and presenting fascinating and valuable health-related topics. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive our latest findings. In addition, click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos, so you never miss an update. We encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. The more people are aware of the menace of zombie cells and the potential of fasting, the more we can collectively take steps towards healthier lives. Remember, knowledge is power and sharing it only amplifies it. By staying informed and taking the right steps, we can protect ourselves and our loved ones from the harmful impacts of zombie cells. It's not just about living longer, but living healthier and fuller lives. Stay tuned and visit our channel for more videos that will change your life.